Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a suggestion in the Flighty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button. And then if you scroll down at the more section, click on the help and feedback button. And at the contact us section, click on the make a suggestion button. So here you can make any suggestion that you have or anything related to the application, and you can help to improve the application. So click on the make a suggestion button, and you can write an email to them if you have Apple Mail, but any other option is good. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.